Dear friends, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome to my channel, The Cooking Bee Tamil. In today's video, we are going to see how to make a famous street food of Mumbai, cheesy chicken pudla. This is my variant, and before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. For this recipe, I have taken 150 grams of cleaned boneless chicken. Make sure that it is cut into smaller pieces. And now we can start adding the masalas. Let's start by adding salt as per your taste. I have added less than half a teaspoon of salt, followed by half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. It is absolutely your choice to add turmeric powder. If adding, add a pinch of it. Now add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix the masalas well with the chicken. Once the chicken is well coated with the masalas, make sure you marinate it for a minimum of 2 hours to a maximum of 5 hours. Now let's prepare the green chutney for this recipe. Add a handful of coriander leaves and half a handful of pudina leaves. You can adjust coriander and mint as per your choice. Next, add 1 or 2 chilies as per your spiciness. Add salt as per your taste and few drops of lemon juice. Now grind it into a fine paste and the green chutney is ready. Keep it aside for later use. I have marinated the chicken for around 3 hours and it is now well marinated. Let's heat a kadai and add few drops of ghee. Add the marinated chicken and you can see how well the chicken has absorbed all the masalas. And now let's set the flame high and fry the chicken for around 4 to 5 minutes until it is well cooked. After 4 to 5 minutes, check whether the chicken is well cooked. Once done, switch off the flame. Do not overcook the chicken pieces as it tends to get harder. Now let's set it aside and start preparing the batter for the pudla. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of gram flour, that is besan. 1 cup measures around 240 milliliters. Now add salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Now take around 3/4 cup of water which measures roughly about 180 ml. Add water little by little. Make sure that the batter is not too runny nor too thick. And also the batter must be lump free. And if you notice, this is the perfect consistency for the batter. I had around 10 to 20 ml of water unused. Now let's heat a tawa and add half a teaspoon of butter. It could be either salted or unsalted. Now let's start coating the bread slices in the besan batter and place it on the tawa. Cook one side of the bread in medium flame and it takes around 1 to 1.5 minutes for the side to be cooked. And when you flip it to the other side, make sure that you change the stove setting to low. Now spread the green chutney on the side which is well cooked. Now let's add finely chopped onions, tomatoes and capsicum. Adding vegetables is absolutely your choice. If adding beetroot and potatoes, make sure that you boil and then add it to the pudla filling. Now let's add the cooked chicken. You can also replace chicken with mushrooms or paneer. Once you have arranged the vegetables and chicken on the bread, add half a teaspoon of butter on both the slices of the bread and then press it gently with a spatula. Apply pressure in such a way that while flipping the bread, the pieces of vegetables and chicken should not come out. It's okay if 1 or 2 pieces scatter here and there. Keep pressing with the spatula and see how nicely the vegetables have stuck onto the bread slices. Now let's add some grated cheese onto the bread. You can either add mozzarella or processed cheese. Now carefully fold the bread slice as you do for a sandwich. Keep it on the tawa for a minute or two by flipping both the sides until the cheese melts. Now our tasty and cheesy chicken pudla is ready to be served. If you are a health conscious foodie, then you can opt for wheat bread. Now slice the pudla into 2 pieces and serve it with sauce or mayo. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and do give it a try. Share the beautiful compliments that you got from your family members on the comments below. And don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button too. Catch you all in my next interesting recipe. Until then, thank you for watching and goodbye.